Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset crypto, COM two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This guide focuses on the straightforward method for regaining access to your account's security settings. We will walk through the necessary steps to ensure you can easily reset your 2FA, keeping your digital assets protected. It is crucial to follow each instruction carefully to maintain the highest level of security for your crypto COM account. Let's get started on securing your account today. To begin, open your crypto COM app or log into the exchange platform. Once you are successfully logged in, navigate to the settings menu. This is typically represented by a gear icon or found in your profile section. Within the settings, you will find a dedicated security tab. Click or tap on this to access your account's security options, including the two-factor authentication management. This is your first step towards resetting your 2FA. Inside the security section, locate the two-factor authentication option. If you are using the crypto COM app, you will see a Reset 2FA button. On the exchange, you can toggle off the 2FA. You will then be prompted to verify your identity by entering your account passcode and the current 6-digit 2FA code from your authenticator app. This step confirms you are the legitimate account holder before any changes are made to your security settings. After successful verification, immediately remove the old crypto COM authentication key from your authenticator app. Next, you will be presented with a new QR code or a setup key. Scan this with your authenticator app or enter it manually to create a new entry. Finally, input the newly generated 6-digit code to confirm and activate your new 2FA. Please note, withdrawals may be temporarily disabled for 24 hours on the exchange. If you cannot access your existing 2FA, contact customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.